Welcome to a video tutorial hosted by cheapvectorstock.com. If you find this video useful, please do consider liking it, sharing it, and also subscribing to our YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we will be covering logo design and making the logo that you see on your screen. For more details on various tools and techniques used in this video, please refer to our other video tutorials. So let's get started. In a new document, what we're going to do after I drag this is go to the rectangle tool and create a thin but long rectangle, and we're going to color this one red. Then we're going to go to the selection tool, click on this, and while holding Alt and Shift, we're going to drag this down just slightly. And then while this rectangle is highlighted, we're going to go to our keyboard and hit Control and D to duplicate a couple of times. Okay. Then we're going to click on the second rectangle and the fourth rectangle while holding Shift, and then we're going to change the color to blue. Once this is set, we're going to drag and select everything, and then while our mouse is hovered over this point right here, we're going to go up slightly. We're going to hit Control and G to group all of these shapes together, and then we're going to go to our shapes or symbols panel and click and drag this, and you can name the symbol whatever you'd like. I'll just do it generic name here, so logo. Once that's set, we can just click on this and hit delete on our keyboard. Next, what you want to do is go to the ellipse tool right here, click anywhere, and while holding Alt and Shift, you want to drag outwards until you have a fairly nice circle. Next, we're going to go to our rectangle tool, click and drag about halfway to our circle, and then we're going to go to the Pathfinder panel and we're going to go to minus front. Click on the ellipse and go to Effect, 3D, and then go to Revolve. Make sure to check the preview here. If it looks like a cylinder, what you can do is go right here to right edge to make it a sphere. Then you want to go to Map Art, click right here where it says symbol, and go down to your logo. Then you want to click Invisible Geometry, and then you want to drag this until you get the desired effect. And this just takes some playing around with. You can also scale this, shrink it, and see, you can also rotate it like that. And it doesn't have to be exact, but maybe I'll do something like this. Hit OK when you're satisfied with the result, and then hit OK again. And it's not going to be the exact same thing, but it's close enough, and you can obviously play around with it more until you're satisfied. Next, go to the type tool here, click anywhere, and we're going to type in Imagine. Select the MAG and then go to this bold under the font style, and then select the N and E and go to bold under font style. We're also going to change these colors to match our logo, so the eyes are going to be in red and the MAG and NE are going to be in blue. And there we have it. Next, what you want to do is click on your logo and go to Object, Expand Appearance, and then you want to go to Imagine and do Expand hit OK. And this just converts the font or the type into a shape or paths. If you send your logo over to a client, perhaps they may not have this particular font type. So by converting the font into a path, they can still view your logo as is. Okay, so next we're just going to click the Imagine path, and then while holding Shift, we're going to click on our logo. And making sure that it's aligned to selection, we're going to center it. And there we go. And there we have our completed logo. Thank you for watching this video tutorial hosted by cheapvectorstock.com, and we'll see you next time.